Look, I've been doing GoHighLevel for about 3 years now, and I can confidently say that this one AI widget will completely replace your client's front desk receptionist. Now, yes, I know this sounds crazy. Yes, I know this is like, how could you say this? But listen, pay attention. I have an exact prompt that you can use in GoHighLevel's AI Studio that I promise you will be absolutely shocked by with how quick it generates it, how it puts it on a brand new website, and how it improves a current customer's website just by dropping in the URL, and then just by giving it some simple instructions that you can actually use or pull from ChatGPT, and it's absolutely insane. So let's go ahead and hop straight into it. Now look, I'm in the GoHighLevel AI Studio builder, which by the way, if you want access to this, go ahead and click the second link in the description. You get access to my 30-day extended free trial instead of the standard 14-day one. You actually get 30 days free. Put a card on file and then you won't be charged till 30 days. If you like it, stick with it. If not, just cancel your account, no worries. So I actually came up with this prompt and I was actually conversating with ChatGPT, and it's crazy because you can use AI to build AI, if that makes sense. So it's actually insane to think about. So let me go ahead and actually pull this up right here, which by the way, this will be in my paid community, this exact prompt. But if you pause it quick enough, hey, maybe you can get it. Oh, look, I'm moving. No, I'm just kidding. But listen, this is the exact bulletproof chatbot prompt that I use, and it works absolutely insane. So let me go ahead and copy this whole thing. Now, with this prompt, I pretty much told ChatGPT to make a bulletproof system where it can handle a lot of different inquiries. What I mean by that is like different situations about how people are or what services they're interested in. And then all I did was take this exact prompt, plug it back into ChatGPT, plug in the URL of the customer that I want to build it for, and then it just goes on and gives me pretty much the exact same prompt, just with those different things of what that company does or where they service, all those different things. Now look, with that being said, all I did was type in fencing company near me, and so I found JF Fence. They have about 50 Google reviews that can easily be better. I took a look at their website, and I'll just let you, the viewer, think about what you think of this site. Now, with that being said, this website is absolute garbage. Just being honest and upfront, just has a welcome. Where's the SEO? Where, like, I don't even know that they're servicing the Austin area. If I was just a person looking at the website, I just see pictures, and then I would see this at the bottom and be like, oh, okay, or right here, oh, okay, so they are by me. So this is just a poor website. So what did I do? I went ahead, copied this URL, plugged it into ChatGPT along with this prompt, and said, just build this prompt based off this website. Now, what it did, it spit it back out literally within 30 seconds. It started spitting it out, and then all I did was just plug it into ChatGPT. Now, with that being said, I want to go ahead and copy this prompt, bring it into AI Studio. Let me go ahead and paste it in, and we're just going to let it cook up and let it do its thing. This is easier than ever. Like I said, I've been doing this for 3 years, and this was never a possibility before, but now it is. And right now it's free with GoHighLevel. Right now it is May 4th. And so it is free right now. So take advantage of it while you can, because they're going to switch to a token basis. I'm not even sure. Maybe they have already. I just don't know. But as of right now, it is completely free. So while this is cooking up, I wanted to let you know that with GoHighLevel, you can do pretty much everything. So if you're a marketing agency, and just a little bit of backstory on me, I dropped out of college after 1 semester of taking marketing in college, and I thought they were going to teach me Facebook ads, Google ads, all these different things. That was not true. So I just dropped out. Then I found GoHighLevel, and the rest is history. Now I run a successful marketing agency. I feel like I'm probably the biggest one in my city. Don't quote me on that. I live in Round Rock, technically Austin, but it's a smaller town, Round Rock, outside of it. But I mean, we have a pretty big clientele base. I mean, I just feel like from 3 years of work, I mean, we have scaled up pretty quickly, and it's just doing website plus SaaS, which you don't know what that is. You're just selling a website with AI features pretty much attached to it, and you charge them a monthly subscription for it, whether that's $97 a month, $297 a month, $497 a month, whatever you would like it to be. That's what I like about this space, is that you can charge whatever amount that you would like it to be. Now look, this doesn't just have to be for a fencing company. So with this, all you have to do is just plug it back into AI and say, hey, do this for a landscaping business, and it will go ahead and completely revamp their website, make it better than it was previously, and then also add this AI touch on top of it. Let alone that you can connect the calendar, and that you can also connect it to their CRM. So anyone that fills out this live AI chatbot, it will be added to their CRM. That customer will be added to the business's CRM. So that way now they can start building that list if one day they decide to sell the company. And that's something that I hear a lot, especially with me having an affiliate program, and me kind of being a coach for people, is that they try and sell it too much as like a feature basis. You want to do it kind of as like a, hey, this is the current issue that your business is facing. Here's how we come in and we solve it for you. So let's say a CRM. Most contractors right now, whether that's fencing, landscaping, plumbing, whatever it is, they more than likely have it set up towards where it's just jumbled up in their iPhone, mixed with family, friends, people that they met randomly out of the blue, and it's just all disorganized. Versus having a CRM, now you have an organized place. Some contractors are spending thousands thousands of dollars a month on Facebook ads, Google ads, but they don't even have a place to store those leads. And so why are you spending over $100 a lead with Angie's leads and you're not even storing them in a safe place where you can reach back out to them 6 months down the line? It's just simple stuff like that can easily increase the revenue in your business that people don't even think about. They think it's all about, oh, how much more should I increase my budget, when you don't even have a safe place to store those leads. It's stored on a piece of paper that can get drenched in the rain one day, or wind blows it away and now it's gone, using extreme or scenarios there. But that's the real raw reality of what can happen. You can easily lose that journal. You could leave it behind somewhere and it's gone forever. So having it in a safe database where you can access it on your mobile phone or wherever you're at, that's going to be an absolute game changer. Let's talk about the booking calendar. They're penciling it in their journal. Same situation with keeping your leads in a journal. You could easily lose that. Who wants to pull up to a house pulling out a journal and you're shuffling through the papers? Oh, yes, I remember. Why? Whenever you can have them in your CRM, have their notes tab below their contact talking about what they were interested in, all those different things that you can use. That way you look more trustworthy and more credible as a business. Now to the next point, the live AI chatbot. You're spending all this money again on Facebook ads, Angie's leads, Thumbtack leads, all those different things. And it just doesn't make sense because you don't have the right systems in place. You don't have the right foundation. As a contractor, you should know that you need to have a strong foundation to build a house on. So it's just those simple things that you can use in these sales calls that will actually better your business, increase your close rate, and you can actually put it into perspective. Now, me, myself, I ran a landscaping company whenever I was younger, about a few years ago, actually. And that's how I was able to close my first client, is because I knew how a landscaper thought. I knew how they talked. I knew the daily struggles that they were facing. And that's how I was able to close that deal with them, because I was able to relate to them. I knew the languages. I knew exactly. And I was only, 19 whenever I was running my landscaping company. And I was like, and that's what kind of made me believe in high level from the jump, as I was like, man, I wish I had these features whenever I was running my landscaping business, but I didn't. And so I already knew, kind of had that instilled faith in GoHighLevel that this is actually something that businesses can use and it can actually improve on. Now, let alone from the agency side, now we have AI Studio. And as I was talking right there, it built an entire website that looks 10 times better than the current one that they currently have. Look at this, absolute garbage compared to what this built. And how long was I talking for? I'm not even sure. I was making some good points there, but this looks absolutely beautiful, more credible. People are spending $5,000 a fence for a whole fence build, sometimes even more. I don't know. That was just a random number, but look at this. It completely built this in just a few minutes. Now let's go ahead and go back to the original point of building this bulletproof AI chatbot. So I'll go ahead and show you an example of what it looks like, and let's go ahead and click on it. So, hi, how can I help you get a fast fence estimate? What kind of project are you looking for? So now it's asking what type of fence material are you looking for? Is it iron? Is it chain link? Is it a repair? Is it all those different questions? And look, let's go ahead and push cedar/wood. Great choice. Is this for a home, business, or farmland? It's for a home. Let's just put that. Got it. What's the main goal for this fence? Privacy, security, pets, replace old fence, repair damage. Let's go ahead and do replace old fence. Makes sense. What's the estimated size of the project? Let's go ahead and do let's do 100 to 200. When are you looking to get this done? It could be ASAP, 1 to 2 weeks. Let's put 30 days on there. Perfect. What city or zip code are you located in? 78681. Oh, whoops, 78681. Okay, almost done. What's your name? So let's go ahead and type that in. Let's do James Clark. Perfect. Nice to meet you, James. What's the best phone number to reach out to you? So let's go ahead and put in the phone, and I'll actually show the camera exactly what came through. Now, it should have linked my agency calendar if I'm not mistaken, but that's okay. We're just going to go ahead and let that through just for the sake of the video. But let's go ahead and type this in, and your email address. So let's go ahead and do boom. All right. And now we sent that. And then thank you. Our team will review your details and reach out shortly to provide your free estimate. Would you like to pick a time on your calendar now? So look, it's asking them like, hey, we can go ahead and get you booked in now. Or we can do, hey, no, just call me later if you're not, if you're a customer, you don't want to seem too pushy as a business owner. Let's go ahead and do yes, schedule now. Great. Please select a time below. Oh, so look, calendar integration pending. So, that's why. Look, I completely missed this. You're supposed to choose your calendar. That's completely fine. It was just a little small detail we missed. But it would actually let you choose a day and a time as well, right then and there within the calendar widget, which is absolutely insane. So now it's going to go ahead and connect it. And also what's really nice about this is that whenever you connect a calendar, let's pretend like you already had one for JFence, or AI Studio can go ahead and build it for you. But then it will go ahead and use those automations behind it. It will send that text message. It will send that email. It will send the reminders, all those different things, which is very, very nice as a business owner, because now your calendar is all working together, whether that's on your phone and you're on the go and lead connector, or if you're going through the chat widget. So there's a lot of different situations where the calendar booking integration comes into play. Now, hopefully it didn't make me restart. It might have. It's okay if it did. Okay, it did. So let me just go ahead and go back to the part where we left off at, where you're choosing the date and time. My apologies. Okay, so now we are back to where we left off at. And look, it even themed the calendar in the widget the same as the website theme. I mean, that is just absolutely beautiful to see. But yeah, so let's go ahead and do the 5th, and then let's choose 8 a.m. And then let's scroll down, confirm appointment, and we'll go ahead and book that customer at that exact time, which is amazing. Your appointment has been successfully booked. All right, so they went ahead and sent the confirmation. And so if I take a look here, it shows that, I don't know if you can see it, but yes, that was booked. And I got a notification on my end as if I was a business owner, which is really nice. And then also I should receive an email at my email that I put in. And then also right here, boom, you can see, again, just going to show the camera. It shows the booked appointment, which is absolutely insane to see. And look, that took barely any time to even build. That is absolutely crazy. And as far as the email goes, I should have gotten it. Maybe it came through already. Maybe it didn't. It's all good if not. But yeah, so this is, like I said, I've been doing this for 3 years and I haven't seen something that is this crazy and how fast it's able to be built. This used to take so much time to get a developer or VA to go ahead and go and build this widget, but now it's faster than ever. All I did was give it a copy and paste prompt, which, like I said, will be in my paid community where we give you tons of scripts, not just for AI Studio, but also for Claude, where they kind of go hand in hand. They're working like a tandem, if that's the right word. This is just insane. And so I'm sure you can see the value of it. Like I said, second link in the description, get a 30-day free trial to GoHighLevel. You will not regret it, and it can literally change your life because it changed mine. Now look, I hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and watch my most recent video right here, and I'll see you in the next one.